If you're experiencing issues with Venmo Instant Transfer, resolving it typically involves a few troubleshooting steps. Check internet connection and app version. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your device. Verify bank account and balance. Confirm that your linked bank account has sufficient funds available and is verified within the Venmo app. Restart the app and device. Close the Venmo app completely and restart your device. Relaunch the app and attempt the transfer again. Contact Venmo support. If the issue persists, contact Venmo's customer support. You can reach them through the app settings or their official website. Describe the problem you're facing with the instant transfer feature. Consider alternative transfer methods. If instant transfer continues to have issues, you can opt for standard bank transfers, which might take longer but usually have fewer technical problems. Monitor account activity. Check your Venmo account and linked bank account for any notifications, errors, or pending transactions related to the instant transfer.